Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to draw a Nissan Titan. We'll start by laying down the fundamental structure. First, sketch a large rectangular box to represent the truck's main body. Then, add a slightly smaller, angled box on top for the cab. Next, mark 2 circles for the wheels, establishing the wheelbase. Remember, the overall length of your truck should be approximately 3 times its height for accurate proportions. This initial framework is crucial for a well-balanced drawing. Now, let's refine the body lines of your Nissan Titan. Gently curve the fenders and the hood to give it that powerful, muscular look. Next, carefully draw the window outlines for the windshield and the side doors, paying attention to their angles. Define the truck bed, making sure its depth looks right compared to the cab. Don't forget to sketch the prominent grille and the housings for the headlights, which are key features of the Titan's front end. Moving on, we'll focus on the finer details like the wheels and lights. Carefully detail the wheels, adding spokes and the rugged tire tread patterns. Next, draw the distinctive front grille, incorporating its specific mesh design, which is a signature element. Add the headlights and taillights, paying close attention to their internal structure and lenses. Finally, sketch the side mirrors and door handles to bring more realism and completeness to your Nissan Titan drawing. For our final slide, let's bring your Nissan Titan drawing to life. First, carefully erase all your initial construction lines, leaving a clean, crisp outline. Then, begin applying shading to create depth and define the truck's powerful contours, especially under the wheel wells and along the body panels. Add highlights to reflective surfaces such as chrome accents and glass windows. If you wish, consider adding a subtle background to give your impressive Nissan Titan drawing some context and a finished look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.